Hidden in the heart of Lebanon lies an ancient site shrouded in mystery and BAALBEK. Among its towering ruins, one enigma stands out: the giant stones of the Temple of Jupiter. These megalithic wonders are so massive and precise that they leave us with more questions than answers. Historians and archaeologists agree BAALBEK is one of the oldest settlements in human history, but its most intriguing feature isn't its age. It's the sheer scale of the stones used to build it. Some of these limestone blocks weigh over 1,000 tons. For context, that's heavier than 3 Boeing 747s combined. The stones, known as the trilithon, are so perfectly placed that even modern construction techniques struggle to explain how they got there. The real question is, who built this and how did they do it? Some experts believe the stones were moved using a combination of ramps, sleds, and sheer manpower, but is that enough? Moving a 1,000-ton block without modern machinery seems almost impossible, even today. Others suggest extraterrestrial intervention or lost ancient technologies. While these theories sound far-fetched, the precision and size of these stones push the boundaries of what we thought ancient civilizations could achieve. One of the largest stones, nicknamed the Stone of the Pregnant Woman, weighs an estimated 1,200 tons. It was never fully transported to the temple and remains partially buried in the ground. Why was it abandoned? Did the builders realize it was too large even for their methods? Or is there another story behind it? What's even more puzzling is the level of precision. These stones fit together so tightly that you can't slip a piece of paper between them. It's as if the builders had access to technology we can't comprehend. The stones of BAALBEK remind us of the mysteries still buried in our past. They challenge our understanding of ancient engineering and force us to reconsider the limits of human ingenuity, or perhaps something beyond human. What do you think? Could these stones be the work of advanced ancient techniques, extraterrestrial help, or something else entirely? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed unraveling this ancient mystery, don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing stories. Until next time, keep exploring the unknown with a clever key.